Okay, so we're going to replace the tensioner here. As you see, I'm going to go up top with a 15mm and I'm going to adjust it from the top. As you see, it's supposed to spring back under pressure, but it don't. It stays where I put it. So I'm going to replace it. I've got a new one, 6mm Allen key in the middle here. Let's go up top and I'll just show you how it stays in place. Well, he's going to call me a liar now. As you see, I was pushing it back and it was just springing back like normal. So do I need to replace it now? Probably not, to be honest, but as you can see, the heat shield of it, this bit here, is all cracked, so I'm going to replace it anyway. Makes sense. So I've got a new one here. We're going to get it done. So I've got a 6mm Allen key. I'm going to crack that off, pull it out and put the new one in. Then at least I know it's good. So let's just crack on with it. So it's out. Right, I don't know how well you're going to hear this. Okay, bearings are a bit rough on that. It'll probably be okay for a little bit longer, but I've got a new one. Let me get the new one, which is here. And if you listen to the new one, it's a bit quieter. So I've got them side by side, but if you listen, and then listen to the new one, it's quieter. So I'm going to replace it anyway. So these are the tensioners. This is just, you know, it's probably been on the car since new. So yeah, and it feels smoother as well. So let's get this in the car. On this one, it's got that little pin I was telling you about, you see, but I'm not going to pull. Oh, I'm not going to pull that out until it's all in place. So you line it up. You've got the two pins on the back here and here, and you line them up with the two holes on there, and it just slots in. It's quite easy actually. I say that and then I can't do it. There you go. Then you get your new, where have I put it down, the new bolt. Okay. Do that up. Ooh. Okay, that's done up, nipped up by hand. So and then I believe this one's got a torque setting, and it's not a lot. I believe it's about 45 or 48 newton meters, but I'll do that in a bit. Okay, see, 48 ain't a lot really. So what I'm going to do in a sec now is I'm going to go up top with the 15mm and I'm going to push it back towards the car, and the next hand you'll see will be Kieran's, because I'm going to ask him to pull this tab out as I'll take the tension off of it. Okay, so I'm going to get up top, release tension, Kieran is going to pull. Yeah, is that okay? Ready? Just give myself a bit of room. Baiting nails. It's funny. Do it.
We'll pull it.
Yep.
Got it.
That's it. Odd. There we go. Flipping heck. Now, as you see, that's how much tension these things are under. That snapped back so quick, I nearly had my finger caught between the end of the spanner and the bracket at the top there. So it just shows how bad of a condition the old one was in. But, you know, it's all done. I can get the belt on there now. Ooh, that hurt a little bit. So now I'm going to get the belt back into place, and that's another job done. And as always, if you like these videos, you know, always leave a like if you want, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, thanks for watching. So there you have it, guys, another quick video done on replacing the tensioner on the Mark 4 Mondeo. All I've got left to do now is put the tension back on it and put the pin back in so I can get the belt back on for the other video. So this one was just designed to show you how to get these out and replace them. So if you've liked the video, leave a like, consider hitting subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you in the next video.